Hi, Dennis Baker with Caldwell Banker Commercial, Baker Real Estate, here for another day where we're going to highlight one of the local businesses. Today we're at Zeelo's Cranks and Planks, located at 4250 South Poplar Street in the Sunrise Shopping Center. Tyler Paddock is the owner of the place, so let's go inside and meet Tyler. So I'm here with Tyler, who's the manager of Zeelo's. How you doing today, Tyler?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm great. So tell me a little bit about Zeelo's. I know it's a bicycle shop and a ski shop, but you kind of specialize in Nordic skiing, is that correct?
Yes, so bikes and skis, we specialized in Nordic sales. We still do repair on alpine skis and snowboards as well, along with the Nordic side.
Okay.
And snowshoes.
Great. So if I'm new to Nordic skiing, what would you suggest I need to talk to you about?
A couple routes. I mean, for one, we sell ski packages if you want to dive in head first. Otherwise, if you want to stick a toe in, you can always come to us for cross-country ski rentals as well.
Okay, and you sell both skate skis and classic skis, is that correct?
Yes, regular touring, classic cross-country skis, skate skis, even some backcountry skis as well.
Okay, great. So I know also you're a bicycle shop because I bought lots of bicycles from you since I've been here. But I know this last year has been difficult to get bikes in. So a lot of people have their older bikes. When should they really think about bringing their bicycles into you to get the tune-up for the spring? Because we're all going to want to be outside riding our bikes come this spring.
I would say bring bikes in sooner than later. Bike parts, there's a bit of a shortage as well. So take care of that now before it gets much worse.
Okay, great. So if anybody has any questions about Nordic skiing or about ski packages or about your bike or getting a new bike, come on up to Zeelo's. Tyler will be more than happy to talk to you. Thanks again.